In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Shopify store into different languages, enhancing accessibility and reaching a broader audience. Understanding your customer base is essential, and offering a seamless shopping experience in their native language can make a world of difference. Let's dive into how you can easily accomplish this right from your Shopify dashboard. To get started, navigate over to the bottom left side of your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings. This area is your command center for adjusting various elements of your store. Once you're in, look for the Languages option. You'll find it as one of the categories, and this is where the magic begins. Once you've clicked on Languages, you'll be greeted with options. One of the primary actions here is to add a language. By selecting this, you can choose the language you wish to translate your entire store into. Shopify has thoughtfully made this a smooth process by integrating their Shopify Translate and Adapt app. This app will automatically be downloaded and is pivotal for converting your store into the selected language without you having to manually alter each element. After adding your desired language, you'll need to specify which store you wish to translate. If you have multiple stores, you'll see a list of options. Select the one that needs translating. Once selected, there's a button labeled Translate. Clicking this initiates the translation process for your store. The handy Auto Translate feature comes next. Activating this will allow the Shopify app to automatically do the heavy lifting, translating all the elements of your store into the language you've selected. This feature saves you considerable time and ensures that consistent terminology is used throughout the store. Monitor the progress, and once the translation is complete, you can choose to publish it, making it live so your customers can start shopping more comfortably. As you finalize these changes, don't forget to hit Save, ensuring that all your new settings are secured and active. And just like that, your store is ready to be explored by a broader audience, now in their preferred language. By taking these steps, you're not only improving the user experience, but also expanding your potential market reach. That wraps it up. A straightforward process, but one that can immensely benefit your business by breaking down language barriers for your customers. Thanks to Shopify's intuitive design and robust apps, your store can now cater to a global audience with ease. Keep exploring additional features to further customize and enhance your store's accessibility. See you in the next video.